sound of Brooklyn. We get down in Brooklyn. We move around in Brooklyn. The town is Brooklyn.
Bed-Stuy, Flatbush, Brownsville, Crown Heights, where the music feels good and it sounds right. Summertime, music in the park. We can do this in the dark. We don't even need no street lights. We bright, look how we all shine. We all trying to live, so we all grind. And then we started saying Crooklyn. Had everybody thinking it was all crime. Stick 'em up. Shouted out to Spike Lee. And the dude on the corner in the white tee. And the girl off the block with the attitude. Had to write a song, show my gratitude. Welcome to my city, man. To the streets where the late great Biggie ran. And damn near everyone's a Biggie fan. That's cause we support our home Brooklyn.
We get down in Brooklyn. We move around in Brooklyn.
B-R-O-O-K-L-Y-N. 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 B-R-O-O-K.
Big Daddy Kane is synonymous. Jay-Z synonymous. Sean P synonymous. I'm just trying to honor this place that we call home. Brooklyn. Look, I'm really just trying to make you proud like, look, Mom. I'm trying to make you smile like, look, Dad. Got the nets on the fitted in the book bag. And you know the Tim's clean. On these bars we go in like a swim team. Brooklyn be the pedigree. If you find something wild, man, set it free. Set it free and watch it go. Then give it to the world and watch it grow. Cause you know we everywhere. Disrespect my home, you will never dare. Cause you get mush quick. Coney Island, Red Hook, Fort Greene, Bushwick, Brooklyn.
We get down in Brooklyn. We move around in Brooklyn.
B-R-O-O-K-L-Y-N. 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 B-R-O-O-K.
Marco, you made it here. Gangstar, y'all made it here. Even though y'all wasn't born here, still y'all made it here. And now it's like you one of us. And we all tied together like some braided hair. Dumbo to Clinton Hills. Gentrified and attention bills. But we find a way to live together. Wish we could find a way to live forever. Either way the music will. Tell me what I gotta do to prove it's real. Tell me what I gotta do to make it clear. You can make it anywhere if you can make it here. Little Kim synonymous, Foxy, fabulous, Maine or synonymous. Say what? In the world full of promises, Smif-N-Wessun, Bucktown. What I'm trying to honor is
Brooklyn. We get down in